at 800 Penn Avenue here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I got Garrett here.
Hey.
He's gonna install me a 70s KL.
Back up a bit so you can watch the numbers.
Alrighty, we will.
For building assistance between Monday 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. AJ, look, I'm security. You can't film my elevator. What do you want to film my elevator for?
It's interesting.
I'm Alan Martin. I'm sorry, I'm all security.
Zoom out, and here it is. Hi. It's a tiny elevator, but I can still fit in here. Look at this. All of these floors are locked except the top floor. Yeah, top floor is open. It's like a Specs elevator all the way up to the top. A button does not go out until you push another button. See? We got Marshall. Look at all of these buttons here. These are J Ultra Plus 70 style. 88 pound. There we go. Just a standard small elevator here. Probably used to be Otis and Westinghouse, something like that.
Something like that.
One of those two, because they have that little globe in the middle.
Well, Houghton also.
Yeah, Houghton too. That's true. But yeah. Let's see if the button will go out when the doors close. There goes the elevator. And I guess that's gonna be it.